reproductive system has one sole purpose: to produce sperm that can fertilize the female egg. The major male sex organs, or gonads, are the testes. The testes are responsible for producing sperm and the male sex hormone, testosterone. Testosterone is responsible for the development of secondary sex characteristics during puberty, for example, the appearance of body hair, deepening voice, broadened shoulders, and increased musculature. Testosterone is also responsible for stimulating sperm production in the testes. The testes are housed in a sac of skin called the scrotum. The scrotum is actually a temperature control device that helps to maintain a relatively constant temperature that is 2 degrees Celsius cooler than the rest of the male body. This slightly cooler temperature is optimal for sperm production. The scrotum can draw the testes closer to the body in cold weather and lower them away from the body in hot weather in order to maintain the optimum temperature. Inside the testes are a coiled network of tubules called seminiferous tubules. Inside the seminiferous tubules, a process called spermatogenesis is occurring. Spermatogenesis is the production of sperm by meiosis. Once sperm are created in the testes, they travel to a collecting tube called the epididymis, where they complete their development. The epididymis stores sperm until they are ready to be deployed. During mating, rhythmic muscle contractions force the sperm from the epididymis into the vas deferens. The vas deferens is a tube that transports sperm. Cutting the vas deferens is a common method of birth control called a vasectomy. After a vasectomy, the sperm are no longer able to move through the vas deferens or exit the body. This procedure makes a male sterile or incapable of having offspring, though it does not affect his ability to have an erection or sex. The vas deferens travels from the testes through a passageway called the inguinal canal and into the abdomen. The inguinal canal is a weak spot in the male abdomen. If a man strains while lifting a heavy object, a portion of intestine can actually tear through the inguinal canal. This is called a hernia. Within the abdomen are 3 glands that help to produce semen: the seminal vesicles, the prostate gland, and the Cowper's gland. These 3 glands produce fluids that nourish the sperm and give them a medium in which to swim. These nourishing fluids, combined with the sperm, make up semen. Once formed, the semen moves into the urethra, the tube inside the penis. The penis is made up of spongy erectile tissue that fills with blood during intercourse to become erect. The semen is released from the erect penis during ejaculation. Let's review the path of sperm from where they are made to where they exit the body. Sperm are created inside the testes within the seminiferous tubules. They mature in the epididymis where they are stored. During mating, sperm travel from the epididymis to the vas deferens. The vas deferens transport the sperm up into the abdomen where it combines with fluid from the seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and Cowper's gland. The semen, which contains the sperm, leaves the body through the urethra inside the penis. You have now received an overview of the male reproductive system and its function. In the next lesson, we'll review its female counterpart.